Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Finding the return value of this mystery method is simple if you track variables correctly. Let's break down this array logic now. First, notice the outer loop picks an element while the inner loop counts how many times that specific value appears later in the array. We are basically measuring the frequency of elements. Next, the variable m keeps track of the highest count found so far. If the current count is higher than m, we update our index to the current outer loop position. Because the method returns the index variable and not the value itself, option E is the only correct choice. You solved it. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing return types and always trust the given code.